Ready to unlock Temu's hidden potential and supercharge your savings by buying in bulk? Let's dive right in. First, fire up the Temu app or head to Temu.com and use that search bar at the top to find the product you're interested in buying in bulk. Let's say, for example, you're looking for phone cases. Once you've found your product, carefully examine the product description. Look for any mentions of bulk discounts or minimum order quantities. Sometimes, sellers will explicitly state that they offer wholesale pricing for larger orders. Now, the real secret: reach out to Temu's customer service. This is where you can directly inquire about wholesale options for specific products. Explain that you're interested in purchasing in bulk and ask if they can connect you with the supplier or offer any special pricing. Be polite and professional when communicating. It's key. If Temu's customer service can't directly connect you with the supplier, don't be afraid to dig around. Some sellers may have contact information listed within their store page or the product details. Remember, success in bulk buying from Temu requires persistence and clear communication. By exploring these options and building relationships with sellers, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your purchasing power and maybe even launching a profitable reselling venture. Good luck and happy shopping.